Welcome to questions and answers. Read out loud the answer.
How are you?
I am well, thank you. How are you?
How is your mother?
My mother is ill.
What is wrong with her?
She has the flu.
How are your uncle and auntie?
They are well, thank you.
Where are they?
They are not here.
When are they here?
They are here tomorrow.
What are their names?
Their names are Frank and Janet.
How is your appetite?
My appetite is good, thank you.
What is wrong?
I am not sure.
Is it the flu?
Yes, you are right, it is the flu.